Amen. I need one like you. I can breathe. Come on, Billy. Hey, I can put it like to the tip of my nose, like right there. Some of y'all, come on, this line. I can barely breathe. If you need air, stick it over your nose. Come on here. Now fill it up, fill it up. Get in the line, get in the line.
Hello, Ms. Tolles.
Judge Cooper, can you hear me all right?
I can hear you fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Here. If you talk to you won't hear it, we ain't going over it. So keep your mouth quiet during the session, all right? Cool. All right, turn on start video. Hey, Judge, we ready whenever you are.
Go ahead, go live, sir. All right, everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Judge Cooper, and I'll be the presiding magistrate this afternoon. I need you all to raise your right hand. Let me know that y'all can hear me. Awesome. I'm going to give you your rights. Correction, I'm going to swear you in. Do you swear anything and all information you present before the court this afternoon, to include the information you put in your application for counsel, will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I do. All right, please put your hands down. All right, this is your first appearance before the Magistrate Court of Clayton County. I'm not here to try your case or take a plea in your case. You're here for the court to inform you of the charges against you, to advise you of your rights, to set bail on those offenses for which this court is authorized to set bail, to schedule a preliminary hearing for you, and to determine whether you require the assistance of a court-appointed attorney. First, let's talk about your rights. You have the right to remain silent and to say nothing. But should you give up this right, anything you say may be used against you. During this and all other proceedings, you have the right to the presumption of innocence. That means innocent until the state proves your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to an indictment by grand jury if you're charged with a felony, or by accusation if you're charged with a misdemeanor. You have the right to a speedy and public trial by jury, the right to see, hear, and cross-examine witnesses who are called to testify against you. You also have the right to call witnesses on your own behalf. You have the right to testify and offer evidence on your own behalf should you choose to do so. But should you choose not to do so, no presumption of guilt against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. And at this point, you'll be appointed and to represent you. Understand that after these proceedings are concluded, should you desire to hire your own attorney, you're free to do so also. But at this point, we're going to appoint an attorney to represent you to make sure your rights are protected. Now let's talk about bond. Some of you will be allowed to post an unrestricted bond for your release from jail pending prosecution of this case. Bond may be posted using cash, or you may use a bonding company or property. I will explain. Let's say your bond is $3,000 and you have someone who has that amount of cash. They post that funds with the sheriff for your release. And when the case is over with, that person goes and get their full amount of their cash back. If you do not have someone with that amount of funds, then you may use a bonding company. The difference is the bonding company charges a percentage of your bond as their fee, normally 10 to 15% of the amount of your bond. The money you pay the bonding company, that's their fee. You won't get that back. The bonding company pays the bond and you're released. Or you may use property. If you have someone with equity in their property equal to 3 to 4 times the amount of their bond, they pledge the deed to the property for your release. When the case is over with, that person goes and get their deed back. Or in some cases, if you're charged with a misdemeanor, this court today will allow you to sign out an OR bond, which means by your signature, you'll be released. Now let's talk about conditions on your bond. There's a general condition within the county that while on bond, you will not violate any laws of the state. That's a general condition that everyone will have to, that applies to everyone. There may be special conditions on your bond that say that you're not supposed to go around a certain place or to contact a certain person, understand, should you violate the terms of the bond, you may be subject to a new charge, may be rearrested, and you'll not get any other bond while this case is pending. Folks, this is taken quite seriously. Let's say you're not supposed to contact John, and John says you contact John. You may have a new charge, which could be an aggravated stalking charge, which carries a 10-year jail sentence or $20,000 fine. So again, special conditions and all conditions are taken very seriously. The family members will be notified of your bond amount when this matter is concluded. But understand, if there's a stay away order such as you're not having contact with a family member, then that person will be prohibited from posting your bond. Some of you will have charges for which this court is not authorized to grant you a bond. And in those cases, you'll go before the court where they'll have a bond hearing to determine your bond, and I'll inform you of that next court date. If you're currently on active probation, I'm not authorized to grant you a bond. Your bond will be considered as your probation officer as that an opportunity to determine if they wish to file a warrant for violation of your probation. And that will usually be done at your preliminary hearing. Now, at your preliminary hearing, that is to determine whether there's sufficient evidence or probable cause to justify you keeping you detained until such time as your case goes out. For those of you who are charged with a misdemeanor, you will have the opportunity to waive your preliminary hearing. Waive your preliminary hearing does not affect any of your rights. You'll still have the right to post bond. Waiving your preliminary hearing is a decision you're making that you want your case sped up. Now, at this time, I'm going to release you back to the sheriff. I just ask to follow the orders of the sheriff. I will have a chance to speak with you all individually and to inform you individually of your charges. Thank you. Okay, we're going to start with Ms. Huff.
List we got, Sergeant. All right. I need it up. Up. Yeah, she paid the Come on up to the podium. You taking
Ms.
that?
Huff,
Hello. Good afternoon, Judge.
Ms. Huff, your counsel is also here on screen. Ms. Huff, you're charged with offense of obstruction of an officer. Do you understand the allegations, ma'am, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. Ms. Huff, your bond is normally $2,000. However, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, which means you may sign. By your signature, you'll be released. And by signing out on an OR bond, you'll get your next mail, Ms. Huff.
Okay.
Ms. Huff, again, the general condition of your bond is that you remain law-abiding while this matter is ongoing.
Yes,
And you
sir.
say yes, don't shake your head. All righty. Thank you. Please follow the orders of the deputies, please. Thank you. Counsel, do you have any questions for your client? I'm sorry.
No, sir, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
All righty. You may be released, counsel, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just take your mask off and tell them your name.
Phoebe Bernard.
Ms. Bernard, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you, Judge.
Ms. Bernard, you're charged. It is alleged that you committed the offense of theft by conversion. Do you understand the charge, Ms. Huff? Ms. Bernard, I'm sorry, or do you require it to be read to you?
Read it to me, please. Yes.
Please?
You can read
Do
it.
you understand?
No, sir.
Okay. it is alleged that you took the property of your employer. Let me make sure I check this. Hold on. It is said that you unlawfully obtained another's property, the rent money and money orders, and didn't knowingly convert the property for your own use. And if I'm reading this correctly, it was you took the rent money from your employer, Foxhall Apartments. That is the allegation, okay? And it's only an allegation. Doesn't say you're guilty or anything. That is just the allegation. Do you understand the allegation, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am. The bond in that amount, the bond in that allegation is $7,000.
Okay.
Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Ms. Bernard, you heard me state I'm going to appoint counsel to represent you. Your next court date, ma'am,
Okay.
is July 15th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m. room 201. And again, condition is that you're not violating the laws of the state while you're in bond. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Take your mask off.
What is your name, ma'am?
Tamika Adrian Hawk.
Good afternoon, Ms. Hawks.
Afternoon.
Ms. Hawk, it is alleged you committed the offense of simple assault. Do you understand the allegation, ma'am, or do you require it to be read to you?
I require for them to be read, please.
Ms. Hawk, it is alleged that, whoa, I can't, this is, okay. This person had really funny handwriting. But it said that you came up from behind the victim, Joycelyn Norman, in such a way and standing behind her that you placed her in a reasonable apprehension of receiving an immediate threat of violence. That is basically the allegation, ma'am.
No, Your Honor, that's not true.
Hold on.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right. It is the allegation. It has nothing, at this point, I'm not here to judge whether it's true or not. That is just the allegation, and I want you to understand the allegation. So you'll know when you can talk with your attorney what the allegation is. So at this point, do you understand what is alleged? Not that it's true, not that you're guilty. Do you understand what is alleged?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, which means by your own signature, you'll be released. Do you understand that?
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir.
You're welcome. Now, you'll get your next court date in the mail, okay?
Okay.
Let me see if there's anything else. I'm appointing counsel to assist you. And again, while this matter is ongoing, until it is completed, you're to remain law abiding. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And follow the orders of the deputies, please.
One question, Your Honor. When do I leave?
When you sign out, ma'am.
That be today?
Follow the orders of the deputies, please.
Take your mask off. Tell me now.
Hello.
What is your name?
My lady Hodge.
Ms. Hodge, it is alleged that you committed the offense of battery. Do you understand the allegation, or do you require it to be read to you, Ms. Hodge?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Ms. Hodge, I'm going to allow you to sign out on your own. A condition of this bond is that you're to have no violent contact with Angel Penniman. Now, you can contact the person, you just can't get into any scuffles or like that. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All righty. You'll receive your next court date in the mail. And again, I'm appointing counsel to assist you, and you may counsel should you choose to do so. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take your mask off. Tell me now.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Frederica Jefferson.
Ms. Jefferson, it is alleged you committed the offense of criminal trespass. Do you understand the allegation, or you require it to be read to you, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you understand, okay? A condition of your bond, well, let me back up. I'm gonna allow you to sign out on your own, okay? That means by your signature, you'll be released. There is a condition in that you'll have no violent contact with Amber Moses. I mean, no arguments or none of that stuff, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All righty. You'll receive your next court date in the mail, and I am appointing counsel to assist you. Thank you, Ms. Jefferson.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take your mask off. Tell me now.
Hey, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you Ms.
Tell him your name.
Micaiah Hargrove Porter.
What is your name, ma'am?
Micaiah Hargrove Porter.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, I have a Teresa Porter. That's not you?
No.
We need Judge.
Okay, hold on. From the, hang on. I have a Teresa Porter, but I can find this other Porter here. Give me 1 second.
Thank you so much.
No problem, man. Hold on.
Judge, could I start by telling you a few things about myself?
So, in fact is, I promise you something I can't find because I can't. Your file doesn't jump up at me.
It's
So I'm gonna,
Porter, not Porter. HARGROW-Porter.
okay, all right, hold on.
Micaiah Unique Hargrove Porter.
Got it.
Okay.
You know what, Judge? She's on the 9th.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to go through the 9 stacks right now. Give me 1 second, please. All right, and again, try to keep them, I'm doing the 8, so always try to keep them in the same order.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened.
That happens. Just give me a second.
It's two different porters.
Oh, yeah, Judge, you know, there's 2 different porters. That's who we messed up
It's
at.
actually 3 different Porters.
Yeah, have a seat.
Hold on. Well, I'll tell you what. Ma'am, I'm gonna have you step back, please, okay? Let me get the next person up and I'll try to take the time to find your file.
Okay.
Slide down.
Thank you.
All right, Judge, this is Teresa Porter.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Ms. Teresa Porter, good morning. You take your mask off, ma'am, so I can hear you.
Good morning.
Ms. Porter, you're charged with fleeing from police officer, violating, speeding, possession of marijuana, 1 ounce or less, use or possession of drug-related objects, as well as reckless driving. Do you understand the allegations, ma'am, or do you require it to be read to you? I have no idea. You need to speak, ma'am. Don't shake your head. Do you understand the allegations, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Ma'am, the bond in this matter equals $7,500. Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
Will I be able to make mine? Yes, sir.
Okay. Miss Teresa Porter, your next court date is, hold on, I'm sorry. Your next court date is July 14th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. But Ms. Porter, because you're charged with misdemeanors, you have the option of waiving or not waiving your preliminary hearing. Waiving your preliminary hearing just means you want your case sped up. At this time, I really can't tell you what date it'll be. But would it be your desire to have your case sped up, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All righty, the officers will have something for you to sign, okay? Just follow the orders of the deputies, please. Thank you.
That's Brian. Come on, come on, come on. So take your mask off and tell me your name. Yeah.
Good morning. What's your name, ma'am?
Haley Bryant.
Kelly Bright.
Haley Bryant.
Okay, Haley Bryan. Give me a second, Miss Bryan. Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. All right, Ms. Bryant, it is alleged that you committed the following offense: a seatbelt violation, use or possession of drug-related objects, 1 count of violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Do you understand the allegations, ma'am, or do you require it to be read to you?
I understand.
Okay, your bond is $9,500. Will you be able to make bond, Ms. Bryant?
I'll put that right.
Will you be able to make bond, Ms. Bryant? You need to speak, Ms. Bryant. All right, Ms. Bryant, your next court date is July the 15th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m. courtroom 201. And again, I'm appointing counsel to assist you, and you'll remain law-abiding while this matter is ongoing. Thank you, Ms. Bryant.
All right, Judge, this is Hargrove Porter.
Okay.
Yeah, we on the 9th now.
Okay, all right, hold on a second. Okay. Hang on a second.
Okay.
Let me ask this question before I do, Ms. Porter. Do you have a Taylor, Deshae Taylor, and Tori Lee Teasley?
Taylor Deshae, that's a male. And who you said?
Tori Lee Teasley. That's a male too. Sorry. Okay, got it. Got my files mixed up here. Sorry.
Got you.
All right. All right. Tell me your name, man, please.
Micaiah Hargrove Porter.
Okay, Micaiah Hargrove. Okay, there we go. All right, ma'am. Your charge. It is alleged that you committed the offense of battery, family violence. Do you understand the charge, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, and you're to have no violent contact with, what is that person's name? Gemma Porter?
Yes.
Okay, I couldn't read their writing very well. All right, you're to have no violent contact. You can be around the person, but you can't get in any fights or anything like that. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All righty. You're going to get your next court date in the mail. Again, I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you, and you'll remain law-abiding while this matter is ongoing, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Take your mask off, tell your name.
Good morning. What's your name, ma'am?
Good morning, Teresa Darian Jones.
Ms. Jones, it's alleged that you committed the offense of simple battery, one count of possession of marijuana, 1 ounce or less, as well as one count of violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Do you understand the allegations, ma'am, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Your bond, ma'am, is $11,000. Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
I may be able to make bond today.
Understand. There's a condition that you're to have no violent contact with Mr. Jeffrey Wynn. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, you can't be around him, but you can't get in any argument, fights, or anything like that. Okay, ma'am?
Sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you. And your next will be July 15th, 8 a.m., quorum 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., quorum 201. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Take your mask off, tell your name.
Jennifer Kimball.
Ms. Kimball, good afternoon. Ms. Kim, not too bad. Ms. Kimball, it's alleged you committed the following offenses: having a defective defective headlights, one count of violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act, use or possession of drug-related objects. Your bond this morning, ma'am, will be $17,500. Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
I got a question. Do you know how much that currently roughly with the bond?
Ma'am, you're going to have to figure that out with your lawyer. Hold on, roughly.
Well, thank you for giving me one.
Okay, let me start over. Okay, all right. Because I messed up. You have 2 counts of violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act, not 1, but 2. And then 1 count of use or possession of drug-related objects, as well as the defective equipment. For you to post bond, if you're using a bonding company, it'll cost you approximately about $2,000. Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
I might. How much?
Okay, I understand. That's fine. I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you. Your next court date is July the 15th, 8 a.m. in quorum 201. July 15th, 8 a.m. quorum 201. Thank you, Ms. Kimball.
Can you tell me how much that was and all? You said 11 and then you said 2?
$17,500. That's the total amount of your bond, ma'am. Thank you.
Tell your name.
Hey, I'm Carmisha Lovett.
Ms. Lovett, good afternoon.
How you doing?
Not too bad. Ms. Lovett, it is alleged you committed the offense of, as well as cruelty to children by allowing a child under the age of 18 to witness a battery. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. A condition of your bond is that you'd have no violent contact with Rashard Ellis. Do you understand?
Don't want to at all.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you. You're going to get your next court date. And again, that's it. You have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take your mask off, just tell them your name, okay? Taylor,
Tiffany Sparks.
Taylor,
Ms. Sparks, good afternoon.
I'm sure, sir.
Ms. Sparks, it's alleged you gave a false name of birth. I'm gonna allow you on. Do you understand the allegations against you, Ms. Sparks?
Hey, Judge,
Yes,
can you
sir.
repeat that because you went in and out?
Okay, all righty, thank you. It is alleged you gave a false name, address, or date of birth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand the allegations?
Yes, sir.
All righty, I'm gonna allow you to sign out on an OR bond. You'll get your next court date in the mail. And let me see if anything else. A condition of this bond is that you're not to violate any laws while you're out on bail. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Take your mask off or tell them your name, okay?
Hello, ma'am. What's your name, please?
Ginger Taylor.
All right, Ms. Taylor. It is alleged you committed the following offenses, ma'am. Manufacturing false ID, forgery in the first degree, and possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less. The total amount of your bond, ma'am, is $16,500. Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, let me back up for 1 second. Do you understand the allegations against you, or do you require to be read to you?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, all righty. Ms. Taylor, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. Your next court date is July the 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. Thank you, ma'am.
So did I get a bond?
Yeah, it's 16,500.
16,500. So I'll pay that.
I'll tell you. Take your mask off, tell them your name.
Erica Michael Walker.
Give me a second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, you're different, Ms. Walker. It is different in that you're a fugitive. You're not charged with anything in the state of Georgia. It is alleged that you're wanted out of the state of San Marcos, Texas.
Yes, sir.
All righty, I'm gonna give you a short version. If you don't understand it, let me know.
Yes, sir.
You have an option of challenging extradition or waiving extradition. Should you choose to waive extradition, the folks will be notified that you're here, and they will have a period of days to come and get you. If they do not come and get you within a reasonable amount of time, you'll be released. Or you can challenge extradition. You can challenge extradition on the following grounds. 1, whether or not you are in fact Erica Michael Walker. 2, whether the paperwork is in order. 3, whether you're charged with, whether what they're alleging you're charged with is actually a crime in the state of Texas. Okay? And based upon those 3 things, whether you are in fact a fugitive. Now, if you choose to challenge extradition, you'll stay with us for a period of 30 days for the law enforcement folks at the state level to get the paperwork and everything in order. If they do not get it in order within those 30 days, you can stay with us for an additional period of 60 days for them to get it in order. If after 90 days, they do not have their paperwork in order, then you'll be released. Do you understand the difference between challenging extradition and waiving extradition, Ms. Walker?
Yes, sir, I do.
All righty. What is your decision? Do you wish to challenge extradition or do you waive extradition?
I'm gonna waive it.
That's fine, that's fine. They will have, the sheriff folks, they will have something for you to sign, okay, ma'am?
Okay, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once I waive it, the waiver, when does that time period start from the day that I
Day that you sign, ma'am.
today,
I'm sorry?
day that I signed, that's when that,
Start, yes, ma'am.
okay, awesome, yes, sir.
All right.
Dude, by any chance, does it,
That's enough. I'm appointing counsel to assist you.
okay,
I gotta get to the next one, ma'am.
I'm sorry,
Did I have to get to the next person? Thank you.
Female, I overlooked her. Her name is Dudley Alexis. Come on up here.
I have it.
Come on.
Okay, where is the paper? Okay.
Ms. Dudley, good morning. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Morning.
Ms. Dudley, it is alleged you committed the offense of battery, family violence. Do you understand the allegations, or do you require it to be read to you, ma'am?
Can you read them to me?
Yeah, ma'am. It's alleged that you intentionally battered one Russell Wright by scratching him on his left arm with a key. Okay? And that you and Mr. Wright are in a relationship and live together at 1951 Southampton Road. Do you understand the allegations, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, okay? However, there is a condition that you'd have no violent contact with Mr. That means you can be around him, but no more fighting, no more scratching. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
All righty. And while you're on bond and this matter is ongoing, you're not violating the laws of the state of Georgia, okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Judge, that's all the females except for that one we spoke about, and then we're gonna
All
start.
righty, got it. Okay, I'll set aside the ones that I have because I have two more in my file. All right, no problem. Give me 1 second. We can start on the males.
Okay.
I have a Joseph Adams followed by. Give me a second.
Demi.
Yeah, there's a couple of females that I have paperwork for, but yes, Taylor and then Akinde.
Okay. Oh, hey, Judge, are you on the 8th or the 9th? Because on the
Tell you
8th,
what, hold on. We can start on the 8th. It's Joseph Adams. Hold on, that's the 9th. Hold on 1 second.
so we got the first one, Barber, on the 8th.
Yep, got it.
All right. Take your mask off, just tell them your name.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Aquavius Paul Barber.
Barber, good afternoon. It's alleged, sir, that you committed the offense of battery, family violence, 2 counts of violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act, 1 count of possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less, and 1 count of giving a false name, address, and date of birth. Do you understand the allegations, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
I will require it to be read to me, sir. I'm trying to understand.
Okay, Mr. Barber, it's alleged that you gave Jarvis Barber, when questioned about a domestic dispute between you and your girlfriend.
Oh, I think.
Hold on, just listen. You asked me to read something to you, so you need to be listening. And then after you're in custody, they found 30 tablets of MDMA, 41 ounce in a baggie, also consisting of green leafy substance. Also in a baggie, white powdery substance, believed to be cocaine.
So,
And that's pretty much it, sir.
okay, sir.
All right, now, I'm going to allow, I'm sorry, your bond, sir, is $21,000. To make bond, sir.
Sir, I have to get onto it right now, sir.
All right, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. Now, when you make bond, okay, you can be around Ms. Marsh, but you should have contact with her. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. When I do have contact with her, I have to use police in order to.
No. I just don't want you to have any arguments. I don't want you to have any fighting. I don't want you to have any scratching.
Oh, yes, sir. That would not be none of that, sir. It was just.
All right, that's fine. Just listen. All righty. Again, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. Your next court date is going to be on the 15th of July, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 8 a.m. courtroom 201. Thank you much, sir.
15.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a
Bye
blessed-
now.
Sir.
Hey, look here, this stuff gonna be moving fast. I need y'all to listen to my voice. All right, we gonna Kane. Who's Kane? Hey, let's go to the podium, my brother. Kane. Kane,
Mr. Brinson?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Brinson, it's alleged you committed the offense of theft by shoplifting. Do you understand the allegations or do you require it be read to you, sir?
I understand, sir.
All right, the bond in this matter, sir, is $6,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir? Okay, all righty. Your next court date, Mr. Brinson, is July 15th, 8 a.m., quorum 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. And again, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. And while this matter is ongoing, you're not violating the laws of the state of Georgia. Thank you, sir.
Come on. Take your mask off, tell them your name.
Ruben Kane.
Mr. Kane, good afternoon.
Hi.
Mr. Kane, it's alleged that you committed the offense of theft by taking. Do you understand the allegation or do you require it be read to you, sir?
Required to be read to me.
All right, Mr. Kane, it's alleged that you took one medium-sized package containing jewelry, one electronic tablet, and one Coach wallet, the property of Grisha M. Portella, with a value of $1,500 or greater. Okay, that's the allegation, sir. Mr. Kane, I'm not authorized to grant you a bond this morning because my information tells me that you're currently on probation. Mr. Kane, I'm sorry.
I'm on parole, not probation.
I'm sorry, parole. Thank you. I'm appointing counsel to assist you. And your next court date is going to be on the 15th of July, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. Thank you, sir.
Eduardo Covarrubias.
Sir, you're charged with interference with government property. Tying you bond this morning.
Señor, a usted se le acusa de interferir con propiedad del gobierno.
I understand English, sir.
Okay, good. We just want to make sure you're protected, so that's good.
Okay.
All right, your next court date is going to be July 15th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Come up here, take your mask off, tell them your name.
Good afternoon, Judge Elijah Davis.
Mr. Davis, it is alleged you committed the offense of DUI, less safe, as well as battery. Do you understand the allegation, sir? Do you require it be read to you?
Say again, sir.
Do you understand the allegations that you're charged with DUI, less safe, as well as in one count of battery? Do you understand the allegations, or do you require it be read to you?
Well, all I know is that was simple battery.
Okay, simple battery. Do you understand, or do you require you want me to read it to you?
Well, I understand, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, thank you. All right, the bond for those two matters, sir, is $9,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
Excuse me?
The bond is $9,000. Will you be able to make bond?
$9,000 for both charges?
Combined. Will you be able to make bond?
Yes.
Okay, all righty. A condition of your bond, you'll have no violent contact with Miss Hogan. Do you understand?
Yes.
You can be around her, but no fighting, none of that stuff. Okay, sir?
It wasn't no fighting you on. It was just.
Understand? Hey, do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All righty. Okay. You're gonna get your next court date in the mail, okay?
Okay.
All right, and I've said a lot. I want to make sure you're clear. Your bond is $9,000. You'd have no violent contact with Miss Hogan.
Yes, sir.
I'm appointing counsel to assist you, okay? And you'll get your next court date in the mail. Thank you.
How you doing, y'all?
Not too bad. What's your name, sir?
Patrick Fleetwood.
Mr. Fleetwood, it's alleged you committed the offense of theft by shoplifting. Do you understand the allegation, or do you require it to be read to you?
I understand, sir.
Mr. Fleetwood, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, which means by your own signature, you'll be released. A condition of your bond, sir, is while you're out on bond, you're not to violate any laws of the state.
Yes, sir.
And you'll get your next court date in the mail. Okay, Mr. Fleetwood?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Rodriguez Hurd.
Mr. Hurd, it's alleged that is alleged that you possessed a firearm by one who's been previously convicted. Do you understand the allegation, Mr. Hurd?
I understand the allegations, but the allegations are not true.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm not the judge who's going to decide whether they're true or not. I just want to make sure that you understand what's alleged. So do you understand the allegation?
Like just, understanding the fact that they charged me with that allegation.
Okay, got it. All righty. And I'll even go far and read it to you. It says that you knowingly and intentionally possess a firearm, to wit, a high standard Sentinel Model R-107, and you've been previously convicted back in 2007. That's the allegation. All right, I'm not authorized to grant you a bond this morning, sir, because information shows that you're on probation. I'm appointing counsel to assist you, Mr. Hurd. And Mr. Hurd, your next court date will be on July 15th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. Thank you, sir. What's your name, sir?
Keanu Ingram.
Mr. Ingram, it's alleged that you drove with, correction, that you had improperly all right. You had an inoperable turn signal while making a turn. You also had possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. By signing out on an OR bond, you'll get your next court date in the mail. And while you're on bond, sir, you're not to violate the laws of the state. And again, I am appointing counsel to assist you. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. All right. Your name, sir?
So,
Mr. Lampkin, it's alleged you committed the offense of battery.
yes, sir.
You understand the allegation, or do you to you, sir?
Excuse me?
It is alleged that you committed the offense of battery.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, but the condition of your signing out, sir, and while you're on bond, you're to have no violent contact with Mr. Stevens.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can go back home. You can live together. There's no arguing, no fighting.
Yes, sir.
All righty. You're going to get your next court date in the mail. Of course, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. And again, the condition while you're on bond is that you do not violate any of the laws of the state. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell him your name.
Carlton McQuarrie.
McQuarrie,
Yes, sir.
it is alleged that you made an improper U-turn, also obstruction of an officer. There are 2 additional charges that I'm going to dismiss. One of the charges was loitering or prowling, as well as striking a fixed object. So I'm dismissing those 2. So going forward, you'll have 2 offenses: making an improper U-turn and obstruction of an officer. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. By signing out on an OR bond, you'll get your next court date in the mail.
Sir.
And while you're in bond, you're not to violate any laws of the state. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm appointing an attorney to assist you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Just tell him your name.
Dashay Taylor.
You said Taylor?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Mr. Taylor, maybe you step back. I'm not finding your,
Does this Dashay Taylor, the 2 we spoke about before? Him and Teasley?
All right, hold on. I ended up mixing it up then. Okay. All right, give me a second. All right.
He's gonna be right behind them.
Yeah, I moved that. Give me 1 second. All right, got it. Mr. Taylor,
Yes, sir.
it is alleged you possessed a firearm by one who's been previously convicted. Do you understand the allegation, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. The bond is $7,500. Will you be to make bond, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. When you make bond, the condition of your bond is that you must not violate any laws of the state while on bond. I'm going to appoint.
Breaking up.
Hold on 1 second. Judge,
He said,
hey, Judge, can you repeat that?
Okay, thank you.
You.
All righty. His bond is $7,500. His court date is July 8th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201.
can you repeat the,
Can't hear me?
I need you to repeat the court date again for me, sir.
July 15th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. And I'm appointing counsel to assist you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorelli, LaSalle, Teasley.
Teasley, give me 1 second. Mr. Teasley, it's alleged you committed the offense of possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, Mr. Teasley. And by signing out on an OR bond, you'll get your next court date in the mail. While on bond, Mr. Teasley, you're not to violate any laws of the state, okay, sir? And I am appointing counsel to assist you. Thank you. Just follow the orders of the officers, please. What's your name, sir?
Adams Joseph.
Mr. Adams, sir, you're aware of the charges against you, sir?
Yes, I am, sir.
All righty. The bond today will be $40,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
I cannot, sir.
All righty. I am appointing counsel to assist you. And bond, you must not violate any laws of the state, okay? And your next court date will be July the 15th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m. courtroom 201. Thank you, Mr. Adams.
Tell him your name.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Mr.
Mr. Adiyemi, okay. Sir, you're charged with 4 counts of obstruction of an officer, 1 count of simple battery on a police officer, 1 count of disorderly conduct, and 1 count of public drunkenness. Your bond this morning, sir, is $19,500. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
Try.
Understand? When you do make bond, while on bond, you must not violate any laws of the state. Again, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. And your next court date is the 15th of July, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. July 15th, courtroom 201. Thank you, sir.
Bryson.
Mr. Bryson, it is alleged you committed the offense of simple battery as well as criminal trespass. Do you understand the allegations, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, Mr. Bryson. A condition of your OR bond is that you're not to have any violent contact with Miss Nicolette Thompson.
Yes, sir.
You can be around her, you can contact her, but no fighting, no arguing, none of that. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. You're going to get your next court date in the mail, and I've appointed counsel to assist you, Mr. Bryson.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Thank you, sir.
Take your mask off, tell him your name.
My name is Cornelius Burnley.
Mr. Burnley, good afternoon. Mr. Burnley, it is alleged that you committed criminal damage in the first degree, possession of firearm by the convicted, possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less, and possession of drug objects. Sir, I'm denying you bond this afternoon. When you do make bond, you're not to violate any laws of the state while on bond. Your next court date is July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201, and I am appointing counsel to assist you, Mr. Burnley. Thank you much.
No bond?
What's your name, sir?
Clayton Campbell.
Put your mask on the back.
Alonzo,
Yes,
middle name?
sir.
Okay, all right, got it. Thank you. All right, Mr. Campbell, it's alleged that you committed the offense of possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less, as well as use or possession of drug-related objects. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an order. By signing of the state. Okay, Mr. Campbell?
Can you repeat that? You went in and out.
Okay, got it. He's charged with possession of marijuana 1 ounce or less and use or possession of drug-related objects. Do you understand the allegation, sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. By signing out on an OR bond, you're going to get your next court date in the mail. And while on bond, you're not to violate the laws of the state. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Follow the orders of the deputies, please. What is your name, sir?
Antonio Carter.
Mr. Carter. It's alleged, sir, that you committed. Okay, are you okay, loitering or prowling, obstruction of an officer, giving a false name, address, or date of birth? Do you understand the allegation?
What was it again?
Do you understand the allegations?
Could you repeat it?
Okay, all righty. All right, you're charged with the offense of being a peeping Tom, 1 count of loitering or prowling, obstruction of an officer, giving a false name, address, or date of birth. Do you understand the allegations, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. By signing out on an OR bond, you'll receive your next court date in the mail.
Yes, sir.
While on bond, you're not to violate the laws of the state, and I'm appointing an attorney to assist you. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. What is your name, sir?
Hey, my name is Nicholas Chavis.
Mr. Chavis, it's alleged you committed the offense of criminal trespass. Do you understand the allegations, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Mr. Chavis, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. Okay. The general condition, of course, is that you're in the laws while on bond, but there's a special condition that you're not to have any violent contact with Morris Page. Do you understand the special condition, sir?
Yes.
All righty. You're going to get your next court date in the mail, and I'm appointing counsel to assist you. So thank you, Mr. Chavis.
You too. Have a good day.
All right. What's your name, sir?
Timothy Brian Clark.
Mr. Clark, good afternoon. Mr. Clark, it's alleged you committed simple battery as well as criminal trespass. Do you understand the charge, sir, or do you get to you? You understand?
Yes, sir.
All righty. All righty. I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, sir, which means by your own signature, you'll be released. By signing, you're going to sign yourself out. A condition, of course, is that you do not violate any laws while on bond. And a special condition is that you're not to have any violent contact with Miss Harrison. You can be around her, you can go back home, but no fighting, no arguing. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're going to get your next court date in the mail. And again, I've appointed counsel to assist you in this matter. Thank you very much, Mr. Clark.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Not too bad. What's your name, sir?
Tommy Ellis.
Mr. Ellis, it's alleged you committed the offense of battery. Do you understand the allegation, sir?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, the bond in that, sir, is $4,000. Will you be able to make bond,
Yes.
Mr. Ellis?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Ellis, there's a special that you have to stay from Ms. Turner.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is that address? It's, what is that address?
3944 Augustine.
Augustine, okay, all right, Augustine. Hold on, I'm writing it here. And where's that located?
Ricks, Georgia.
Rex. All righty. Now, Mr. Ellis, do you have property there close that you may need to get from that address, sir?
Sure.
All right. I'm gonna put on here that once you make bond, you contact the sheriff. They'll go with you to make sure you help you get your stuff. That is to protect you, to make sure that no one said you did anything there. All right.
Yes, sir.
All righty. If you make bond, you're gonna get your next court date in the mail. Thank you, Mr. Ellis.
Sir.
What's your name, sir? Okay. What is your name, sir?
Harding.
Harding. Okay. All right. Stand by there, Mr. Harding. Hey, Deputy.
Yes, sir.
Do we have any more Spanish speakers? I don't think so.
No.
Would you find out for me, please?
Stephen, I don't think anybody in there needs a Spanish interpreter. See if anybody needs a Spanish interpreter. Yeah, and we don't need a Spanish interpreter, Judge.
We will or we won't?
We will not.
Okay. All right. Thank you for informing me of that. Ms. Tolles, did you hear?
Yes, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, and thank you for your time, Ms. Tolles.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Bye. All right, Mr. Harding, it is alleged that you committed the offense of aggravated assault, giving a false name, address, and date of birth, as well as obstruction of an officer. I'm denying you bond today, Mr. Harding. When you do make bond, sir, you're to stay from Ms. Prather, and you cannot go back around that address. Do you live with Ms. Prather, sir? Okay, all righty. Understand. So you have nothing that you need to get from that address. I mean, I know it's your mother's home. It's your mother. You have nothing that you need to get from there.
I have a vehicle that I need to get.
Okay, all righty. I hear that when you want to go get your vehicle, you contact the sheriff so they can go with you to get your vehicle. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Just listen. Your next court date is July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. And I'm appointing counsel to assist you. Okay, sir?
Mhm.
All righty. What was your question, Mr. Harding?
I was not eligible for a signature line.
You're not, sir. Thank you very much.
I need a pen up there.
Your name, sir?
Earl Tyrell Jameson Jr.
Mr. Jameson, it is alleged that you committed the offense of criminal damage to property. Do you understand the allegation, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yeah, I understand. And I fixed.
That's all I need to know. I'm gonna allow you to sign out on an OR bond, sir, which means you, by signing out, you can be released.
Okay.
All right, while on bond, you're not violating the laws of the state, and you'll get your next court date in the mail. Okay, Mr. Jameson?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Take a mask off, tell me your name.
Your name, sir?
Andre Leak, sir.
Mr. Leak, it is alleged you made an improper U-turn, not having a license on your person, no insurance, and one count of violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Do you understand the allegations, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
Yes, sir, I do, I understand, but I understand that the person with me claimed the VGSA.
Sir, I'm not into that at this point. I just wanted to ask you, do you understand what you're alleged that you've done?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The bond, sir, is $9,500. Will you be to make bond, sir?
Excuse me?
The bond is $9,500. Will you be able to make bond?
I think so, sir.
All righty. Your next court date, well, hold on. When you make bond, there's a condition that you remain law abiding while this matter is ongoing, okay?
Yes, sir. Is that the total bond for everything?
Yes, sir. The next thing is that your court date is the 15th of July, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Lee.
How will I be able to let my family know that what my bond is?
The sheriff will assist you with that, okay? Thank you, sir. Mr. McCoy? Mr. McCoy, it's alleged that you drove your taillights inop, no license on your person, giving a false name, address, or date of birth, as well as one count of obstruction of an officer. Do you understand the allegation, sir, or do you require to be read to you?
Yes, sir.
Ben?
Yes, sir. I understand. Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Sir, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, and by signing out on an OR bond, you'll get your next court date in the mail. While on bond, so you're not violating the laws of the state. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you much. What's your name, sir? Good afternoon.
I'm Murdoch. Good afternoon, sir.
Mr. Murdoch, it's alleged you committed the offense of criminal trespass. Do you understand the allegation, or do you require to be read to you?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, sir, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, and by being able to sign yourself out, you'll get your next court date in the mail. While you're out on bond, sir, you must not violate any laws of the state. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm appointing an attorney to assist you. So thank you very much, Mr. Murdoch.
All right. Hey, sir, is there any way they can lower my risk level?
I'm sorry?
Is there any way they're gonna lower my risk level? I'm still in the orange.
Talk to the deputy, sir. What's your name, sir?
Turner.
Mr. Turner, good afternoon.
How you doing, sir?
Mr. Turner, it's alleged you committed the offense of aggravated battery as well as cruelty to child less than 13. Cruelty to a child under the age of 18. The allegations, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Now, your bond is $15,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
Yes, sir.
A condition of your bond is that you're not to go around, have no contact with Miss Mitchell. All righty. What's that address, sir, where Miss Mitchell lives?
She lives at 307 Hemingway Place, Riverdale, Georgia.
All right, I'm gonna write it in here. You're not to go back around that address. You don't have anything there, do you, sir?
No, sir.
All righty, got it. Your next court date is gonna be on the 15th of July, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. July 15th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. And again, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. And the general condition while on bond is that you remain law abiding. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your name, sir?
Anthony Williams.
Mr. Williams, good afternoon. Mr. Williams, it's alleged that you committed the offense of trespass. Do you understand the allegation, or do you require to be read to you, Mr. Williams?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Williams, I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond, which you can sign yourself out. While you're in bond, by signing out on an OR bond, you're going to get your next court date in the mail. And while you're in bond, you're to remain law abiding. Do you understand, Mr.?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. And if you're not feeling so well, let the deputies know. Okay. Thank you very much. Hey, gentlemen.
Hey, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Judge, for Walker, they lifted or hold.
Say again?
They lifted or hold.
They lifted her hold.
Yeah,
So what does that mean?
I guess she's not a fugitive because if they lifted the hold, then
Oh, that person. Okay, got it. Well, okay.
what you want to do?
I don't have anything else other than that. So let me kind of. Well, if she has no fugitive hold, then they'll figure it out and release her, I presume. I don't have anything else regarding that.
Okay. The only thing is I have to go to another housing unit. Remember that one that we talked about earlier?
Understand. I'll have my audio on. So just call me when you're ready.
Okay, I gotta log out real quick because I have to take the unit down there.
Understand. All right, thank you.
All right.
Ms. Simon, thank you very much.
These files right here in the front, they all gotta go.
Yes, sir. I'm just on the phone with Judge Brown trying to help him with something real quick. I'll stand by though on here.
No, I'm good. You're good. Thank you much, okay?
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, yeah, they have to get hold. So you good. Bird, you can take that back. We're gonna deal with this crazy stuff.
Okay. Bethlehem, Georgia. Hey, Artra.
All right, Judge, we're back on.
Sir.
This is Miss, tell me your name, ma'am.
My name, good day. My name is Yatama Whitehead.
Hey, Ms. Whitehead. It is alleged that you obstructed an officer and committed criminal trespass. Ms. Whitehead, I'm going to allow you to be released on your own, okay?
Okay, thank you.
By signing out, and you're gonna get your next court date in the mail, okay, Ms. Whitehead?
Okay.
And Ms. Whitehead, I'm also appointing an attorney to assist you, okay, Ms. Whitehead?
Okay, will I be able to go today?
Yes, ma'am. Once you sign yourself out, you'll be able to leave today.
Oh, okay.
All right, Judge.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks a lot, Judge.
Love you still.
They should be emailing the stuff to you, okay?
Thank you much.
Thanks a lot, Judge.
All
right.
Judge Cooper.
Oh, yes.
I'm sorry, I had to jump on with Judge Brown on Zoom to help him with something. What was the name of that defendant they were talking about with the fugitive? I didn't catch the name.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Well, you can get it to me in a little bit.
No, I have it right here. Oh, give me 1 second. And how is your day going?
It's going great.
Superb, superb. All right, it starts with a W. Your name is William. They move. Okay. Yes, her name is Erica Michael Walker.
Okay.
Do you need an L number or court case or something?
I've got it.
Okay, all right, thanks much.
All right, thank you.
Bye.